Happy morning, children. Now let us learn what are pronouns. The name of the next lesson is pronouns. Do you remember what we learned in the previous lesson? Nouns, isn't it? Do you remember? What are nouns? Nouns are also called as naming words. Names of person, place, animal or a thing. That is noun. So today we are going to learn pronoun. What do you mean by pronouns? Pronoun means instead of a noun, we use the pronoun. So instead of a noun, we use pronoun. Words that are used in place of nouns. Now, when we are saying, Cuckoo is a teacher, Cuckoo is my class teacher, Cuckoo is teaching English, we are saying several times cuckoo, 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 isn't it? But instead of that, since Cuckoo is a girl or a woman, we use she. What is the word we will use? She. We use for girls or woman or female, we use she. So instead of telling several times cuckoo, 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 we use she. So instead of the name, so name is a noun, name of a person is a noun. So instead of that noun, we are using she. Instead of the noun, the name of a person, cuckoo, we are using she. That is called a pronoun. Is it clear? So, for a boy, what is the pronoun we will use? He. What is the pronoun we will use for boys or a male or a man or a boy? We use he. Now, for animals, what do we use? It. For names of animals, the pronoun we use is it. Is it clear? That three things are clear? So that is the example I have given here. John is an intelligent boy. So which is the pronoun we can use instead of John? John is a boy, he. Reena is clever. So she is a girl. Instead of Reena, which is the pronoun we will use? She. Kitty is a cat. So Kitty is the name of the cat. So instead of Kitty, what will we use? It. Now, there are some commonly used pronouns. I, when you are talking about yourself, you will say I. I am a child. Me. About myself, when we are saying me. Next, mine. I, me and mine. Now, here it is only one person, that is me. I and mine. I am a teacher. He came to me. This is mine. So, next, we, us, ours. We means there are more than one person. We. Can we go for a picnic? So, I am not alone. So, I am asking my friends also, can we go for a picnic? Next, us. Can you bring us our tiffin box? So, we are asking to bring our tiffin box. Isn't it? Not one person, there are many people. You, yours. You are a child. Yours, pencil. It is your pencil. Next, that book is yours. We are saying that book is yours. Now, he, him, his. I told you, for boys, what do you use? He. Then, when there are many, we say him or it is his book. When we are talking about the other person, we say it is his book. We brought him to the class. We brought that person to the class. Next, she, her, hers. It is, she is going to play. She is going to play. This is her book. We are specifying it is somebody's book, about another person's book. Hers. She, when we say it is a girl, we use she, her or hers. It is her book. She is going to play. Next one. It, they, them, theirs. It, they, them, theirs. It is for animals we say it. They are going out. It is with them. Somebody else. Theirs. It is their book. Understood? So these are commonly used pronouns. Now let us look into the textbook. Read these sentences. John is an intelligent boy. John has a sister named Catty. Catty is also intelligent. Catty is younger to John. Catty is 7 years old. These sentences do not sound good. It is not good to hear because we are always using the name again and again and again. Now the above paragraph has been rewritten. See how it reads. John is an intelligent boy. He has a sister. Instead of John, we are using he. Named Catty. So Catty is her sister. So she is also intelligent. Who is intelligent? Catty. So she is also intelligent. She is younger to him. Catty is younger to John. So instead of John, him we are using here. She is 7 years old. Catty is 7 years old. It reads better now. This is because there is no repetition of names. Repetitions mean we are using it again and again, again and again. That is called repetition. She replaced the noun Catty and he or him replaced John. We use he, she, it, I, we, they, him, them, us, me, you and it in place of nouns. So instead of nouns, we use this commonly used pronouns. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. Now, let us look into the first activity. Color the boxes red for nouns and green for pronouns. Now, what is the color for nouns? Red. Pronouns? Green. So, let's color first the nouns. Them. Is it a noun? No, it is a pronoun. So, which color? Green. Ours? Pronoun. Which color? Green. Instead of a noun, we use ours. In place of nouns, we use another word and that is called pronoun. So, here ours. We. What is it? Pronoun. So, which color we will use? Green. Brother. It's a noun. So, which color do we use? Red. Giraffe. What is it? Red or green? Red because it is a animal. Next, she. Pronoun. Which color? Green. Park is a place. So, which color do we give? Red. He. Pronoun. Green. His. Pronoun. So, we will give green. Her. Pronoun. Green. It. Pronoun we use for animals. So, what is the color? We give green. Chair. Pronoun. Green. Brother. Noun. Which color? Red. Friend. Which color? Red because it is a noun. Him. Pronoun. Which color? Green. Key. Noun. Which color? Red. Apple. Noun. So, which color? Apple. What is the color of apple? Apple is red in color and it is a noun. So, we color it red. Camera. Camera is what color? It can be any color, isn't it? So, but when we are coloring here, if it is a noun, we have to color red. So, camera is red. They. Pronoun. Which color? Green. I. Pronoun. So, which color? green. Did you understand the lesson? That part, the first exercise on page number 42, did you understand? If you have understood, try to do it by yourself.